Welcome to TechXplorer, your ultimate destination for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we are diving into the future of flagship smartphones with the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. This beast of a phone comes packed with a 6.82-inch 2K OLED display, a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a 200MP quad camera system featuring dual periscope lenses. And let's not forget the 5630 mAh silicon carbon battery that supports blazing fast charging. With features like AI telescope zoom, ColorOS 15, and an ultra-sleek design, the Find X8 Ultra is pushing boundaries. So, is this the ultimate flagship? Let's find out. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra boasts a cutting-edge design with a sleek metallic frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back for maximum durability. The quad camera system is neatly housed in a refined module that screams sophistication. Despite its large size, the phone is ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip. Oppo also ensures durability with its IP68 rating, making the device resistant to water and dust. The overall aesthetic of the Find X8 Ultra perfectly balances form and function. The 6.82-inch 2K OLED display on the Find X8 Ultra is a visual masterpiece. With a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, every frame is buttery smooth, and colors appear rich and vibrant. The display also has a peak brightness of 2200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under bright sunlight. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or gaming, this display provides an immersive experience. Its ultra-slim bezels further enhance the cinematic feel. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor powers the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. This latest chipset from Qualcomm is built on a 4nm architecture, delivering unmatched performance and energy efficiency. Paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. From heavy gaming to seamless multitasking, the Find X8 Ultra is a true workhorse. And with ColorOS 15, based on Android 15, you get a smooth and intuitive user experience. The 200MP quad camera system is the highlight of the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. Let's dive into what makes it so special. The 200MP main sensor captures jaw-dropping details, vibrant colors, and exceptional dynamic range. The dual periscope lenses enable up to 30x hybrid zoom, powered by Oppo's AI telescope zoom technology. This ensures smooth zoom transitions and crisp images even at high magnifications. The ultra-wide camera is perfect for group shots and landscapes, with minimal distortion. A dedicated macro lens brings out intricate details in close-up photography. The video capabilities are equally impressive, with 8K recording and advanced AI stabilization for silky smooth footage. Selfie lovers will appreciate the 32MP front camera, which delivers clear and natural shots even in low light. Powering the Oppo Find X8 Ultra is a 5630 mAh silicon carbon battery, which not only offers long-lasting performance but is also designed for durability. The 80W wired charging gets the phone from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes, while the 50W wireless charging provides fast and convenient top-ups. The addition of reverse wireless charging means you can charge your accessories like earbuds or smartwatches on the go. Running on ColorOS 15, the Find X8 Ultra offers a refined user experience packed with customization options and smart features. From multi-window support to enhanced privacy tools, the software is built to maximize productivity. The inclusion of AI-powered optimizations ensures smooth performance, even during demanding tasks. Gamers will appreciate the game focus mode, which blocks distractions for an uninterrupted experience. One of the standout features of the Oppo Find X8 Ultra is its AI telescope zoom. This innovation allows for 30x hybrid zoom with incredible detail retention and smooth transitions. Whether you're capturing the moon or zooming in on faraway landmarks, the AI enhancements ensure every shot is clear and full of detail. This feature truly sets the Find X8 Ultra apart from its competitors. The IP68 rating ensures that the Find X8 Ultra is protected against dust and water, making it reliable in any environment. The dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos provide an immersive audio experience, perfect for gaming or watching movies. The in-display fingerprint sensor adds another layer of security and convenience. Priced at approximately $1,199, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra competes with heavyweights like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Xiaomi 15 Ultra. While the competition offers great features, the AI telescope zoom and dual periscope lenses give the Find X8 Ultra a unique edge. In summary, the Oppo Find X8 Ultra is a feature-packed flagship that delivers on every front, be it design, performance, or innovation. From the 200MP camera system to the silicon carbon battery, it's built to impress. If you're looking for a premium smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a stunning design, the Find X8 Ultra is hard to beat. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next one.